everybody, and welcome to Bill's Brews. It's just a little reminder here. It's almost the end of October. It's a Saturday morning, October 22nd, right now, and it's getting close to holiday time. So, if you want to have any brews ready to go for that holiday seasons, you better get started now. If you want something for Thanksgiving, you definitely need to be going now. And if you want something for that Christmas holiday time coming up, get started now. So, if any of you have any beer projects out there that you're going to be doing for the holidays, please, jot them down and tell us about them here on our Facebook page. We'd really love to hear about that. Anyway, everybody, cheers and have a great weekend. And looking forward to hear what you guys are doing out there with some beer brewing these days.